welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy. I just got done buying a Cadillac. I bought another Cadillac. It's a 2010 Cadillac CTS. It's red outside, tan interior. The interior is pretty new. I'm in it, look. And for the price that I got it, it's a steal. It's a steal for the price that I got it. It drives nice, it's smooth. I love Cadillacs. If y'all know me, my other Cadillac is pimped out. Well, it's not done, but I got a lot of stuff that I have to do to it. So this one is just, the original vibe, whenever I want to go out and, casual, dining or whatever, family time, I'm gonna ride this. But if I feel like, thugging out or, being fresh, then I ride the other one. But yeah, I'm really happy, man. I just got this. I work hard, stay blessed. That's all I can say is work hard. If you want something, go get it. You know what I'm saying? And that's exactly what I do. And, I thank God every day for allowing me, giving me the chance to work and giving me these two hands, because without these two hands, I can't make no money. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to clean this baby up, and I'm going to show you a video of the outside and how it looks. I'm happy. I just bought it. This bad boy looking nice. I got a 2008 Cadillac at the house, and most of y'all know because y'all seen it. But this one is a 2010 Cadillac CTS. It got 143,000 miles, and for the price that I got it, man, it's a steal. And it's beautiful. I got nice wooden panels, wooden trim. It's pretty clean, man. It's clean. I had to get it, bro. I got this for $4,000, which is not bad for a Cadillac that's in good condition. There's nothing wrong with it, and it's brand new, almost brand new. So yeah, I'm just glad I just got it. And yeah. So guys, there it is. 2010 Cadillac. Got a little bump right here. I can fix it. Look nice, pretty nice, clean car. I like how it looks. Other one's right there. It's my other baby. It's pretty clean. Check the inside. Clean inside, everything. It's my baby. Look at that. It's like a brand new car. I'm happy with that.